So, alright, boom. So this a brother you know, yeah, him out of Jamaica thing, but everybody that see him on the internet. Bald brother, have on the glasses. Them say this a man that have some of the most radical, quote unquote, radical thoughts pan the whole society and woman and dating and relationships. But Andrew Tate, Zane?
Top G.
Yeah, Top G. What color is your Bugatti?
Your Bugatti.
Yeah. So even though them say, alright, boom, so them ban the dog off everything.
Yeah.
The man say all bank.
Yeah.
Reject everybody.
Right.
See? So in the case they know where them ban the dog. See? Me I just alright say it for myself. Me not think that should happen. I want your opinion.
Yeah, I agree. The censoring of people, it's scary. And I think it will scare more people because them ban the president of the United States, Donald Trump. When you reach a level like that where you can ban a president, it's a scary time, bro. Zane, now, I can understand banning people where I tell people to go off people.
Yeah.
Disfigure people are, you know, just outright do wrong in a life.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are destructive.
Yeah, because you send people go do things.
You need to come off it. When you use the influence for negative, like, you go away. But when it comes to Andrew Tate now, bro, first of all, as I say, outside of violence and death and them something like that, nobody deserves to be banned. Everybody deserves the right to express themselves 100%.
Yep.
His idea, I look upon him like, you know, so this person a real talk or a complete jackass.
Yeah.
But to totally ban some, and you know, just get banned off of social media, the man get banned in a real life. The man get banned from Uber.
Yep.
The man get banned from him bank, them as you say.
Yep.
Some of them, not all of them. Him get banned from Airbnb.
Yeah.
The man said the Matrix because the woman push a button and everything just disappear.
And I really think that it's scary for you because if you really think about it, you know, all of the people that control them something, clearly the whole of them are come together.
Right.
And I go against it.
That sound like some one world order thing.
Yes, and not only that, you really think about it, you know. You mean for tell me, say, Andrew Tate single-handedly violated all of the policies of all of them something there.
Crazy.
At once.
What did he do to Uber?
And that's the thing. And not only that, you know, me try to figure out what was done and what was said.
For make them ban him, right?
This man not talk about acts of terrorism.
No.
This man not talk about none of the something them way dangerous to society, but like for real.
Yeah.
So, me not understand what, I mean, anytime you hear Andrew Tate talk, or something about woman, and he has not said anything at all with other people not say on other podcasts.
Right.
Him say the same things.
Right.
So, me can't really wrap my mind around why him get cancelled.
Before we even go in away, him say, there's literal porn on TikTok. I mean, Twitter.
Yeah.
Literal, you can see people having intercourse on Twitter.
Yeah.
And them pages there still up, and if them not up, them suspended.
On TikTok, girl are breastfeed with the breast out for
right, breast out for real.
Yeah,
you're right.
I'm frightened to see it.
Right,
like, wait.
and this is supposed to be a kids app.
Yeah.
But a man where come and speak to other men about masculinity.
Yep.
How to maneuver yourself in the dating world. Them look upon that as misogyny. I watch a couple interview where some people go out on the street and ask the girl them, you like Andrew Tate? Oh, no. What you don't like about him? He's a misogynist. Define misogyny. Okay, I gotta go to class. They don't know.
They might ride a wave, man.
They riding a wave. And somebody said, this world is weird. When people don't like you, them jump on the bandwagon. Bro, none of them could answer the question, bro. And it's all feelings. Oh, he was a ex-trafficker. That's not true.
And yeah, because them debunked that.
Right? Debunked.
Yeah, when them go for do whatever investigation sitting them say it was all
right,
just a bunch of bull.
They searched him house from top to bottom. They took him to the police station and released him. Because when them said it was a girl with the over the house and the man see her upon the live. Or him see like the house in our story. And the man called the embassy and say, yo, my girl is being held hostage. And people them respond and go over there. Your girl.
All them are that, brother.
Right?
Your girl, she went there.
Right?
So what you should do is, you should have just lower what she did.
Bruh.
And I just
that's it.
There.
Bro, if me see my girl in our mansion, I don't know which part she there, bro, that's it. You can't call up my phone.
Yeah, you're good.
And
That's your pick.
that Andrew Tate try tell the youth them say, yo, listen, certain things don't take from woman. The man never say for box them, he never say for beat them, thump them down, bust them throat. The man never say that. The man say, yo, be a man.
Exactly.
Let that bitch go.
Yep.
Now his language might be foul,
Yep.
but it's reality.
But you know, I feel like Kevin Samuels is even harsher than him.
Way harsher.
Harsh? Yeah.
Way harsher.
Yeah.
Way.
Because you remember, you know, when them man there, he sitting the nice.
The whip.
He umped it, yeah.
And
the nice.
yeah.
When he done with them, you never there.
Right?
And guess what? He did have him platform.
Right? Have
what I
it
mean?
same way. So now, when it comes to Andrew Tate, bro, I feel like it's a collective effort to keep the youths them weak and keep the youths them feminine. Because any man we are bring masculinity to the youths them, you know, and I teach youths them about masculinity, you know. It's a problem in a society. It's like the youth, it's like them one the youths, the men feel weak in a society.
That's why them create the term
toxic masculinity.
Because guess what? Them are trying to demonize you being masculine.
Definitely.
And this is it, you know. Them want you masculine sometime. But that's not how it works.
It don't work like
You
that.
can be a man sometime. If you're a man, you're a man right through.
Right through.
Can't do nothing about that. So
Right
at the end of the day, them only want you to be masculine and be the protector and the provider and all of these things when it beneficial to them. But you see, when the other thing they come with masculinity, where them feel like them not too like, them don't want to deal with that.
Right?
And it's like you can't pick and choose.
No.
So you can't nitpick. Because
No.
a man can pick when a woman for feminine.
Right.
Men want women to be feminine all the time.
All the time.
Not sometime.
So, bro, even that the man use a point, him use that and raise this wonderful point, him say, like, them want masculinity to be conditional, but when a time for war, when a time for build things and them something there.
Yeah, them want you
Yo,
to
yeah.
Them don't want share
I should be a man now.
Yeah.
But otherwise from that, I should be soft soap.
Yeah.
I should be weak.
Yeah.
I should cry, I should this. Not saying you can't cry or nothing, but you can't be too feminine as a man. You can't have too much female characteristics.
Yep.
And that the man I try to bring to the youth them. You know what? The man helped a lot of kids with suicide. Most suicide right now, men.
Yeah.
Old men, young men, men overall. And the man is showing these kids, say, yo, listen, depression ain't real, bro.
Bro, may I show you a thing where you probably don't even know. So, boom, you know Midnight Milton.
Yeah.
Them have a thing where you hear them say, I don't know if you ever hear the saying where you hear them say 22 a day. 22 veterans commit suicide every day. Every day. So all the suicide that happen with people, 22
veterans.
of them, veterans.
Damn.
Out of the 22 where happen, you know how much percentage of that is female? 2%. Everybody else a man. So for every 22 veterans that kill themselves, you might still not even have one female in the 22 there, in the batch. You have to have a bigger portion.
Yeah.
Forget a female or two out of the batch there. So this is not me saying no woman suffers from depression.
Yeah.
You always have the exception. But we know say man are the one them way commit suicide, brother. Because men are depressed.
Yeah.
The man them really out of it. Because guess what you know? When men go out into the world, them not get no love in a brother.
Nah. And to be real with you, bro, when it comes to depression and man, bro, society don't tell you already, say, yo, man up.
Yeah.
That program in our head. We give thanks for the ones them who actually are friends will listen to it, bro.
Yeah.
But not everybody have the luxury there. Remember, say, woman can go to anybody, you know, people listening, you know.
Yeah.
Call them a woman, you know.
Yeah.
But as a man, you're already programmed for man up. So we don't want to burden nobody with how we feel.
Plus, if you try to tell nobody nothing,
Nobody
them
really
not
give a
listen-
damn neither.
This is them not listening anyway.
Bro, remember one time one of my ex-girl and my brother, I decide to, yo, I want to communicate more, I want to express myself more. And so me express, you know, some of my problems where it stem from and them something there.
Weapons.
Bro, I can see the girl face. Like she'll say, wow.
Yep.
Like, ugh.
And it's so crazy because Kevin Samuels them tell you this, Andrew Tate them tell you this.
Right.
As much as we don't really like the Fresh and Fit man them,
Yeah.
them say this too.
Them say it too.
The moment you start to tell a woman about your problem them, you're doomed.
You're doomed, bro.
Because they're going to tell yourself to open up and you're going to hear people going to watch this now, you're going to hear
Right.
not all women.
Right.
But guess what? You may be the exception to the all. But your counterparts are different from you.
Yeah.
So you might be the exception, but just know say 20, 30 of your girlfriends where you know, they're exactly where the man was described.
Bro, even recently, bro, like, I'm open up and she used it against me.
Yeah.
She used it multiple times. Use it against me. Use my family issues against me.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm looking at it, I'm like, I'm never doing this shit again.
Exactly.
But when I don't do it now, you don't talk.
Yeah.
You don't express yourself.
So
but when
cold,
I'm so cold. But when I do, you use it against me. But now I do it again, brother. Brother, be cool.
But check this. For all like people may watch this and say, but man do it to woman. Yes, there are men with anything but good for the goose, good for the gander.
Yeah.
Man do it to woman, woman do it to man. But let's not ignore the fact that this is something that is predominantly done by women.
Definitely.
Because most men they really even have done for say. Most
Right.
men you allow them to them own demise, them they even really say nothing.
Right?
Them just dead.
You just hear say him gone or him do him need for do and that's it.
Yeah.
But bro, this is the thing, bro. Men, damn if you do, damn if you don't.
Yeah, you can't win.
You can't
And
win
that
in another
also
society.
lends to the same depression a man face.
Right.
Because imagine being in a situation where you want to talk to somebody about something, but you're scared. But then you being scared as a man also lends to you feeling worse about yourself, because you say to yourself, so why am I feel so? So you have this big cycle and this big rigmarole in your head, brother. You see me where you can't escape. But guess what? I ain't idea. I ain't tell you again. You need to man up.
Need for man up. Why I can't just be and express myself without judgment?
Exactly.
And this how the dog, that's why I'm glad I listen to that youth there. And don't get me wrong, you know. Some of the things that I'm say, it's clearly a joke.
Yes.
It's clearly a joke. Like when the man say, yo, oh, you gotta slap a bitch. Boom. Bro, that's obviously a joke. This man don't have no record. Him not have no arrest record. Him not a criminal. Him not have no abuse record. Him not have no... The man them even use one video of him and him ex-girl. I thought boy him abuse women. And the girl come and make 3 video. And nobody no repost it.
No, because
It don't fit them agenda.
It debunk what the thing that them have to come with, where them come with and say, yo, you know, him this, that. It goes against what they're saying.
The girl said we were role playing.
Yeah, it cancel out what them want to come with. So they don't want to use that. Why would they use that?
So the people them will applaud and wait till it come to you. Wait till the cancellation start come to the average people.
Then the most...
Then they're not gonna cry.
Yeah, man.
Them not understand.
Them alright,
Big up Top G. I'm to them.
Brother, at the end of the day, them good.